Everyone, welcome back to another review this week, and today I'm going to be talking about something for your nails. This has been described as a lightweight revitalizing oil which contains a unique natural complex of rich oils to provide moisture, protect, nourish, dry. It has been created from high quality natural cold pressed oils that also helps strengthen the nail beds and keep those parched areas hydrated and moisturized. This is a formula that can be used in the comfort of your own home while trimming and filing your nails to give yourself a spa-like experience. I tried to look for the ingredient list of the product, but I couldn't find it. What I see here is that you can find it in two size bottles. One is in a 2.5 ounce that I have here and is priced at $14, and a 0.5 ounce bottle which is priced at $4. They have it in 4 different scents. The one I have here is in milk and honey. I know they have a pomegranate and fig, white, lemonita and aloe vera, and vanilla bean and sugar. I got mine from Amazon.com.